Jai Shri Ram everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video, I am going to tell you a motivational story. Why I am going to tell you a motivational story in this video? Because in this English speaking journey, how to fluent in English, it is very much obvious to feel like give up because it is a long journey, it is a long process. It's not a overnight process. Okay, so it is very difficult to keep motivate throughout English speaking journey. So we keep motivate ourselves by hearing motivational video, by listening motivational video, by telling motivational story. So in this way we can easily keep motivate ourselves throughout English speaking journey. So in this video I am going to tell you a motivational story, and believe me friend, this story not only improve your fluency but also it will give you a moral lesson. It will teach you how to overcome negative thoughts, negative feelings. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel, if you are new in my channel, then please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So without any further delay, let's get into the story. Okay, so let's begin. Watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay, so the story goes like that. Once upon a time there was a man who lived in a busy town. He had a great job, big job, a great house, and many friends. But still, he was not happy. He felt restless and dissatisfied with his life. So he wanted to leave everything behind and become a monk. So one day he gave away his possession, shaved his head, and wore a simple robe. He went to the dense forest on a mountain looking for a place to meditate, and he found a cave on the mountain where he settled down. He spent there next 25 years practicing meditation and self discipline. After spending so much time, he felt he had gained control over his mind. He, he never felt anger, lust, greed. He was calm, serene all the time. One day he felt sudden urge to go back to the city and see how it had changed. He thought he could share his wisdom and compassion with the people. He packed his few belongings and reached a city. After several days walking, he entered the city, where he was amazed by the sight of long tall building. So and long tall building and noisy street, noisy vehicles. So once he was crossing a road, someone stepped on his feet. So that man foot was very heavy, so the pain was unbearable. So the monk lost his temper and he punched on the face of that man. So the man fell down on the ground and he was stunned. He looking the monk as a fear and confusion. As soon as the monk realized what he had done, he was stunned. He thought, what is this? What is this I have done? So he felt guilty. He felt stunned. He thought, I have been spending 25 years in solitude and there never any type of emotion never comes, such as lust, greed, anger, attachment. What when he came in the city, so he did not control his mind, he did not control his anger. So he realized that he had been spending their time in a illusion. So suddenly he felt ashamed. He bowed down and touched the feet of some touched that someone feet that he punched on the face, and said, "Please forgive me. You are my master. You have taught me a valuable lesson that if you want to overcome something, you have to live in those conditions where you face those challenges." I spent 25 years of my life in a place that did not trigger any feelings of lust, greeding. I never experienced these emotions. I thought that I had overcome. Now I will join the society and live with them, because there I can face challenges. And then he bowed down and touched the feet of the that man, and left from there. So if we see in our life, so we will find that that man lived in a solitude in 25 years, but all these years he did not have to face any type of challenge or um, problem. So in which such as lust, anger, greed would not arise in his mind. But as soon as he came among people, he came to know that that is still inside him. Okay, so this story shows us, believe us, that true and enlightenment does not come to escaping from them. It come from you facing them. Okay, so the monk story is the testament of that idea that controlling the mind does not require an escape from worldly life, but it required itself its training. Okay, life, worldly life itself its training. The challenges we face in our life helps us understand ourselves better. It is a common misconception that the people who renounce the world, only those can only those can achieve enlightenment. Okay, so but this story shows us that this belief might not be true. True enlightenment is not about escaping emotions, but about understanding, facing, and controlling them each day, and every challenge as a chance to learn, practice, and maintain self control. So friends, I hope you like my video, because in this story you find that give up or escaping from the challenge is not going to good for you. Okay, if you want to overcome any kind of emotion, any kind of feeling, so you have to face them first. After that, when you are facing them, and that time you are learning how to control our mind why in this situation. So facing them any problem, uh, you are not going to learn anything by escaping the challenges, by escaping the emotion, negative emotion. You can learn, you can teach, you can learn by facing the problem. Okay, so facing the problem is going to work for you good, and escaping the problem is not going to work any kind of. Okay, so friends, I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, thank you for watching this video. We will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.